Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your membership number on the Priority Pass app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to get your membership number because you need it for a renewal or such thing. How do you actually go ahead and find your membership number on the Priority Pass app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Priority Pass app. Next, go ahead and log in. And then from here, once you're logged in, click on card on the bottom hand corner. So what you have here is a QR code, and then you also have some blurred information, which includes the membership number. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your membership number on the Priority Pass app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.